Once upon a time, in a village, there was a woman who was very short tempered and she used to get angry very easily, and in her anger, she used to say bad words and curse others. But after some time, after getting normal, she used to repent and she was very upset with her behavior of getting angry and saying bad words to others. One day, a saint came to her house and asked for some food. The lady gave some food to the saint and also asked the saint and told her about her issue of anger and asked if he can give something, some medicine for controlling anger. The saint calmly listened to the lady and smiled, and after some time he took out a bottle from his bag and gave it to the lady and said, "Lady, this is the best medicine for controlling anger. Whenever you get angry the next time, take out 4 drops from this bottle and put it in your mouth, but then you have to keep silent and keep your mouth shut for at least 2 minutes, and only after that you can speak. Otherwise, the medicine will not work." After saying this, the saint went away. The next time, whenever the woman got angry, she took out the bottle and poured 4 drops from the bottle in her mouth and kept her mouth shut for at least 2 minutes. After some time, she realized that she is able to control her anger and she was not speaking anything bad to others in her anger. After a few months, the saint again visited the lady's home, and the lady came running to the saint and said, "Sir, your medicine worked very well. It's a miracle. Can you tell me about it so that I can give it to others as well?" The saint smiled and said, "Lady, that bottle had just plain water, and the reason you are able to control your anger is because you were keeping silent after you were upset, and silence is the best medicine for anger." I hope this story is useful for you. I will see you next Sunday. Thank you for watching.